Petroleum jelly. The ultimate multi-purpose product. Petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline, is a versatile product that has been around for over 150 years. It was first discovered by Robert August Chesebrough in 1859, and since then, it has become a staple in many households. Petroleum jelly is a mixture of mineral oils and waxes that provides a water-repelling barrier, making it an effective remedy for dry skin, chapped lips, and minor cuts and scrapes. But petroleum jelly is more than just a moisturizer. It has a multitude of uses that make it an essential product to have in your medicine cabinet, kitchen, and even garage. Here are 25 ways to use petroleum jelly, health and beauty. 1. Moisturize dry skin. Apply petroleum jelly to dry skin to lock in moisture and soothe irritation. 2. Soothe chapped lips. Use petroleum jelly to protect and moisturize dry, chapped lips. 3. Treat minor cuts and scrapes. Apply petroleum jelly to minor cuts and scrapes to protect the wound and promote healing. 4. Prevent windburn. Apply petroleum jelly to exposed skin before going outside in cold, windy weather. 5. Soothe sunburn. Use petroleum jelly to soothe and moisturize sunburned skin. Household. 1. Lubricate squeaky doors. Apply petroleum jelly to squeaky door hinges to silence them. 2. Protect tools from rust. Apply petroleum jelly to tools to protect them from rust and corrosion. 3. Remove sticker residue. Use petroleum jelly to remove sticky residue from surfaces. 4. Polish metal. Apply petroleum jelly to metal surfaces to polish and protect them. 5. Prevent ice from forming. Apply petroleum jelly to surfaces to prevent ice from forming. Beauty and fashion. 1. Remove makeup. Use petroleum jelly to remove makeup, including eye makeup and lipstick. 2. Moisturize cuticles. Apply petroleum jelly to cuticles to moisturize and soften them. 3. Treat dry hair. Use petroleum jelly to treat dry, brittle hair. 4. Prevent split ends. Apply petroleum jelly to the ends of your hair to prevent split ends. 5. Soothe razor burn. Use petroleum jelly to soothe and calm razor burn. Outdoor and sports. 1. Prevent blisters. Apply petroleum jelly to areas prone to blisters, such as the feet and hands. 2. Soothe chafing. Use petroleum jelly to soothe and calm chafing caused by friction. 3. Protect against wind and cold. Apply petroleum jelly to exposed skin to protect against wind and cold. 4. Lubricate zippers. Apply petroleum jelly to zippers to keep them running smoothly. 5. Remove tar and bug splatters. Use petroleum jelly to remove tar and bug splatters from surfaces. Miscellaneous. 1. Protect leather. Apply petroleum jelly to leather surfaces to protect and condition them. 2. Remove label residue. Use petroleum jelly to remove sticky residue from labels. 3. Soothe sore noses. Apply petroleum jelly to sore noses to soothe and calm them. 4. Prevent rust on bikes. Apply petroleum jelly to bike chains and other metal parts to prevent rust. 5. Make a fire starter. Mix petroleum jelly with cotton balls or dryer lint to make a fire starter for camping or emergency situations. As you can see, petroleum jelly is a versatile product that has a multitude of uses. From health and beauty to household and outdoor uses, petroleum jelly is an essential product to have in your medicine cabinet, kitchen, and garage. So next time you're looking for a solution to a problem, consider reaching for the petroleum jelly.